Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the subject. Today, we're taking a look at Western Union, accessible through their website at westernunion.com. Western Union is a well-established global money transfer service, allowing individuals and businesses to send and receive funds quickly and conveniently across international borders. They have a vast network of physical agent locations around the world, often found in convenience stores, supermarkets, and other easily accessible spots. This extensive reach makes them a practical choice for those who may not have access to traditional banking services. Using the website, westernunion.com, you can initiate transfers, track existing transactions, and estimate fees and exchange rates. The site provides a user-friendly interface for navigating these features. You can choose to send money directly to a bank account or for cash pickup at one of their numerous agent locations. The website also offers helpful tools like currency converters and FAQs to assist users with their transfer needs. Beyond sending money, Western Union also offers bill payment services, allowing you to pay utility bills, mortgages, and other expenses directly through their platform. This can be particularly useful for managing international payments and ensuring timely settlements. They've modernized their offerings to include a mobile app, providing a streamlined experience for sending and receiving money on the go. While Western Union is a convenient option, it's important to be aware of potential transfer fees and exchange rates, which can sometimes be higher than other money transfer methods. Comparing these costs with alternative services is always a good idea. Overall, Western Union remains a prominent player in the remittance market, providing a reliable, albeit sometimes costly, method for transferring funds worldwide, especially in areas with limited banking infrastructure. Their website, westernunion.com, serves as a central hub for accessing their various services and managing your transfers. Remember to check the description below for all the links mentioned, and as always, thanks for watching.